Good morning everyone! It's your girl, Yana Bells. And we're back with another video. Ora che è appena iniziato la mia giornata, perché I just took a sip of my coffee and it's 11:30. But anywho, today is my off and I wanted to do a little bit of a small video because it's been a month that I'm not posting on my YouTube channel, and today is not a really good day. You know why? It's cloudy. It's gonna rain tomorrow. 95%. I know I look like shit right now, pero we're gonna fix that in a bit. So we're gonna go for a walk right now. Even though it's raining. I'm not gonna go for a walk. It's raining. I'm gonna go for a walk with my dog. As you notice, my voice is really deep. Bruh. We're gonna look hot later, okay? Just give me a moment. I'm just gonna finish my coffee and then andiamo. E Natale! I don't know what to talk about, but I want to vlog. Ito ang outfit natin. Ilalabas lang natin yung aso, okay lang. So later naman ng mga 2 p.m. lalabas ako. And nagbago na yung after everything. Mabilisan lang na vlog, I think to. Hindi ko nagagamit yung camera. Naka-display lang sa bahay, kaya bumili ako ng camera para lang i-display sa bahay. Ganun ako kayaman, di-display ko. Ano ba bang pwede ko sabihin dito sa video na to? Kasi gusto ko na sabihin mamaya lahat kapag maganda na yung itsura ko eh. Kasi right now talagang asin natin tingnan. Ang damay! Sorry guys. Sorry na. Naiinis ako. Naiinis na masaya. Girl, makapal lang yung buhok ko pero hindi ako maasim. Ang cute talaga nitong camera na to. Sa maliit na nga, ganun pa. Pero pag pinost mo siya sa YouTube, girl, parang nasa movie. Kaya kong gumawa ng movie gamit ang dalawa kong camera. Pero grabe, sobrang hirap na. Nagawa ko na lahat ang dapat kong gawin. I'm gonna show you yung Lego transition ko. Ano? Panis kayo. I keep looking sa screen pero kailangan ko tumingin dito sa mismong camera para ikaw talaga yung tinitingnan ko. Char! Anywho, ang ganda talaga ng hair. Ang ganda ng hair ko today. Ang ganda ng girls. Ang dami talaga may gusto ng buhok na ganito. And feeling ko, ako lang nakakagawa nito. Char! That's me hungry. I really like, gustong-gusto ko yung kilay na to ngayon. Pero ewan ko kung even sila. Pero kita nyo. Tapos yung lashes ko. Ako may gawa yan. Ako may gawa nitong lashes ko. Kaya, at hindi ako nagpa-lashes Ako ang gumawa ng lashes ko. Kaya parang, girl. For those who keep telling me and saying to continue my vlogging, I really do appreciate you guys and I love you. Thank you for supporting me. I really don't know what to say. Kasi kinikilig ako kapag sinasabi niyo. Even though you don't have any idea what video you're going to make, just take your camera and say some nonsense thing or do your routine by telling stupid stuff. I really do appreciate when someone kapag may nagsasabi sa akin na continue mo lang yung pag-vlog mo, ang angas, ang astig. Maganda. Wala akong masabi. I'm speechless when someone say that kind of stuff kasi may nanonood pala na tao. Alam mo naman hayop na nanonood. May nanonood pala ng video ko even though parang nonsense yung video. Pero yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. Paulit-ulit lang tayo. I really appreciate you. Wala na tayong magawa, wala na tayong masabi. So, and yeah. Oh! Guys, I'm going to show you what kind of lashes I'm using. Maraming nag-a-ask na saan ako nagpapalashes, ganyan-ganyan. These are the lashes. The first one is Wendy Lashes. The second one is the VB. Easy Lash DIY kit. The thing that I did sa lashes ko is like 16 and 314 and then a 12. So like parang normal siya. Ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda. I just want to thank you all for watching. Kahit iilan lang kayo, thank you so much for supporting me and watching this video. And soon, I will upload some video more interesting. I just don't have the idea right now. Kasi wala akong pera. Kaya hindi ako makapag... Ang ina. What the fuck? Right now, I don't have money to show you interesting stuff. This mama's broke right now and this mama is working so hard right now. I have 2 jobs that I'm doing right now. So, mag-antay kayo, please lang. Bibili ako ng madaming mga bagay. Kaya, I'll do this kind of stuff for you guys. Char! Sa akin lang talaga. Kung anong gusto ko, bibiling ko. Anyways. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can see when I post another video. Yanabels is going offline again. Bye!